reason why we decided to buy a Lexus was that I think we were at a point in our lives where we thought it was time to make a little jump into the luxury brand. We wanted something a little bit more, well, you know, sophisticated.
Yeah. Basically, she stole my car, I had to buy another one.
Well, I was a little bit jealous because Chris purchased this UX 250 hybrid, which I now own, and I just love the look of the car. I think there's something about the burnt caramel seats that just added a bit of class. The drive is seamless, I can't fault it for anything. We get that little boost of energy from the hybrid. I think it's marketed to the urban explorer, and that's exactly what I am, an urbanite, and it just suited me down to a T.
Why I chose the car was, I actually moved out from a bigger SUV to the smaller SUV because I wanted one which was a hybrid, and you know, Lexus fit the bill. It's got a certain sportiness to it without being an outright sports car. You can still fit a pair of skis in the back of it at the weekend as well, and it's fantastic for that.
With Les, he was recommended to us by a friend who had a great experience with him. He wasn't pushy or anything like that, and we really liked his approach.
I like Les because he was straightforward, he was easy to deal with, very easy experience. I think I told Les at the time, it's the first dealership I've ever walked out of I didn't want to set fire to at the end of it. So it was good.
I was looking at something in a showcase, and Les actually came up to me. He goes, "Well, would you like that?" And I said, "Yeah." He actually bought it out of his own pocket for me. And that was the sweetest thing like any salesperson has ever done for me. So
It's been great to deal with everything from just to decide to do the paperwork and also the service for the last 12 months. It's been fantastic. Very responsive, very helpful, and they always get things right.